What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, Tommy Boy, coming back at you guys with another E-Juice review today. And it's kind of a follow-up a little bit. So, if you guys look back, I did this company already, but at the time, it was the only flavor that they released. So now this is kind of the update. I did get a hold of another flavor from them, so had to come up and throw it on the channel for you guys, the vaping community. So without further ado, it's Yellowbird. And right there, 3 milligrams nicotine. And I was just shopping one day on one of my favorite websites, to one of my favorite .coms to hit up, and they had it on there. I was like, what? So I cracked the bottle this morning, so I've been just vaping on it a little bit today, but oh man, just as good as the blue one. So we'll go ahead, I'll hit up the website, give you guys a flavor profile, give you price points and nicotine strength, and then we'll go ahead and dive in for like a smell test, taste test, and stomach test as well, tummy test. It's been a while. What the hell has everyone been up to? Alright. So the other day I was on giantvapes.com, right? I like to browse, you know, just check out new stuff, new brands and everything. So I came across Yellowbird though, and product description says lemon cheesecake puffed corn crust. So it's like a corny kind of cereal vape with lemon and then cheesecake. They do give the VG-PG ratio would be 70-30. They do list that. And then they upgraded them, so no more 30 mils. Now everyone's doing the 60 mils things. So I like that. More juice. And nicotine strengths that they come in is going to be 0, 3, 6, and 12. I vape 3, so awesome. So we'll dive in, give it a smell, give it a little shake. Pretty bottles, really nice bottles. Yeah, so I definitely get, like, right when I first smell it, definitely get a little bit of that corn puff cereal right off the note. And I think they added a little bit of lemon to it. So lemon corn puff cereal, trying to remember all this, and cheesecake. Then it's very subtle, and it's creamy and it's sweet. It kind of hits the nail on the head as far as a dessert flavor, pretty much. Today I got my trusty Rig Mod. It's the version 2, and then with the roughneck cap on top there. And under the hood I just have some dual alien coils, and as you can tell they're dirty. So don't pay any attention to that. But let's go ahead. I got it all dripped up here. Let's take a vape, huh? Granted, there's a fan in here going, so yeah. So the lemon, when you're actually vaping it, the lemon and the kind of corn cereal go together. They're married together really nicely. I actually couldn't really pick out the cereal as far as the lemon part. They're married beautifully together. And then on the exhale note, you do get kind of this creamy rush of just cheesecake. And me personally, I'm a huge cheesecake fan. I think that's what I loved about the Bluebird so much too. Just cream and cheesecake as far as dessert hits the spot. As far as through the nostrils, no burning, no stinging, no irritation. Definitely buttery smooth going in and out. Oh man, so just to give you guys the full update, so they do have the Bluebird, and they have Redbird and the Yellowbird. Now, me personally, I'm not a huge strawberry fan, so that's why you see on the channel I don't post that many like strawberry things. So I haven't tried the Redbird yet, but definitely just an update vape review. Badass, man. Check it out. Alright, I'm out of here. Oh, wait. No, so the tummy test, definitely 2 thumbs up. No gut rot. No, nothing gross like that. Awesome. Well, peace out, YouTube.